Hi guys, with another video. This is the printer. What's printer? Let's see. This is the Brother right there. As you see, the right there, Brother. Right. Okay, come a little bit this point. Right there, Brother printer. Brother for the. Now what I'm gonna do, and I just want to show you what is inside of this guy, right there, Brother. Okay, let's go ahead and see what is inside. Okay, what is inside? First, let's get it out. This is the part. As you see, this is the first one. Then let's go ahead. All right, find out something else. Let's go this side. All right, here. This is another part that maybe it's called ink, right? This is the one. Take apart, and then this. Let's go and crack. All right. Let's do it this way. What else? Inside. I think we're gonna crack. This is the inside, not outside. Sorry. What else? Come on. Let's. This is the inside. Right here. And here is the inside. You guys seeing the inside? Very good, right? What else? Nothing else, huh? Oh, there's a lot. Let's break. Yeah. Oh, there's a screw. Okay, let's go and take it out, the screw. This time, let me take it out, the screw. It doesn't come out. Break it. Break. This is the one. Let's see. There's a screw. I don't know what is this. Wow, I don't know. Another screw here. Nothing. All right. Oh, there is a screw here. One more. Do you guys seeing that? Maybe I can make it closer. Okay, now maybe right there. There's another screw. All right. Ta-ta. Ta-ta, ta-ta, ta-ta. Two more screws. What is this board? I don't know. Here. Phone line. Okay. This is gone. Okay. Right there. This is the one. Okay, this is done. What else? Okay, nothing else. I don't know. Maybe so many things, but maybe it says the another piece. Oh, sure, papers. Okay, got the paper right there. Oh my God, look at this. Treasure. Oh, fantastic. Okay, that's paper. Alright. Another. Nothing else. Let's see. Maybe this side. Like that. Ooh, here. All right there. Right there. Look at this. All the good parts are here. Yeah. Well, take it out the cables. And these are the cable. What is this? Let me take it out. Screw. It doesn't come. There's two. There's. Alright. Ta-ta. No, it doesn't coming out. Maybe one more, right here. Yeah. Okay. This too. Yeah. Almost. Alright. No, this is too. So nothing much, I think. This is the guy. This is the whales. What else? These are the one. These are. What is this? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. What is this? Throw it. How about these guys? All the wheels here, wheels there. Oh, look at this. All the wheels. 2 boards and so many wheels. After that, nothing. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, another wheel. So this is, I don't know. Let's check it out. Alright. Doesn't come out. Okay. Doesn't come out. So what we can do? Okay, now it's out. Maybe I can take this too. Alright, this is the one. Oh, this is, I don't know. Oh, this turns. Okay. Let it put side. And this is, we don't